What's up guys, Dave here, back with another episode of Tech Unraveled, and today I have the Honor Watch ES for us to check out. So, you know what we're gonna do, right? We're gonna get this box popped right open, check out everything inside, and I'm gonna let you know what I think. So sit back, relax, grab that popcorn, and let's go. Bruh. Alright guys, let's get this box popped open. Boom! There it is. This thing here has a 1.64 inch display. I kind of like it. It's better than some of the other smart bands. A little bit bigger, not quite as large as a smartwatch, but more screen real estate for a smart band. I like that. Let's go ahead and get a little bit further into the box here. Now this thing does come in two colors, meteorite black and a coral pink. On this side here, we have your manual. On the other side, you have your cable. Looks like this has a magnetic type. There we go. Clips on with magnets, plug in. So that's it. That's everything you get in the box. So right here, you have your power button. Get it set up here. Let's open up the Huawei Health app. Go to devices, add a new device. This is considered by Honor a watch, but it is a fitness band watch, really designed for the fitness-minded, the active person. This thing is designed to be a workhorse. It is gonna track your heart rate 24/7. The one thing to note is it does not have GPS dedicated on the watch. It actually uses your phone's GPS to figure out where you're at and your movements. So we are paired up and connected. In here we have our health monitor. You can go ahead and turn on Huawei True Sleep. This is gonna be a sleep tracker, which is pretty cool. I actually like using these things. It really goes into detail on how you sleep. Let's go into device settings. I want it to remind me when we are disconnected, raised to wake. Actually, what if I turn raised to wake off? Will that keep the screen on at all times? No. Let's make sure we have the latest firmware because that's super important. There is a new update available, so let's get this updated. Wow, that downloaded rather fast. Again, this has a 1.64 inch AMOLED display. It gives you 10 days of battery life, which in my opinion is more than enough. I'm happy with a day and a half. That's my gold standard for smart watches or smart bands. So anything over that is awesome. It has 95 different workout modes, a 24/7 heart rate monitor like I told you before, and a stress and sleep monitor. Now I find the stress monitor pretty interesting. I look forward to kind of monitoring that and seeing what actually is increasing my stress, if it's gonna notify me when that happens. Still waiting for this update to complete. Let's go ahead and try this on. Now there are a lot of strap holes for all different size wrists. That is super important. Some people have a hard time finding straps that fit them. I am one of those. So this is going to fit everybody. There is a notch for everyone here. We're still waiting. We're about 84% complete on this software update. We're now installing. We're getting there. But you know, the good thing is this is a brand new device by Honor. I'm super stoked. I'm super excited that they've already pushed out a firmware update. That's good news. That means they're paying attention. They're following through to make this a very stable and good product. I like to see manufacturers pushing out consistent updates to make sure that their products are working, give us new features and whatnot. I like that a lot. So the software is all updated. As you can see, the watch is live. Let's try out the heart rate monitor. My heart rate is actually changing as I'm recording this video. You can see it just increased because I'm talking now and it's getting that energy going. So my heart rate's gonna jump. It's okay. I'll be fine. What else is in this app? Let's go to health monitoring. We got the true sleep turned on, our activity reminder turned on. It's super important to get up and walk around after a bit of time has passed. You don't want to stay seated. We got continuous heart rate monitor enabled. Let's go ahead and turn on the stress test. We're gonna go ahead and calibrate it now. I disagree. I strongly agree. I strongly disagree. Strongly agree. Strongly agree. Agree. Disagree. Whew, that annoys me so much. Agree. Strongly disagree. Strongly agree. Submit. Now we wait. I'm being calibrated before your eyes. I have just been calibrated. Current stress level is 46. It's normal. I'm normal. Go figure. Thank you, Honor. Classified me as a normal human being. I like it. I could have been relaxed. Definitely not relaxed. Normal. We could set an alarm in here. I don't want to set any alarms. Weather report. I'd love to get the weather. We're set up there. Notifications enabled. Device settings. Everything's turned on. I like it. We already checked the firmware. Let's take a look at the watch a little bit. Swipe over to the right. You can see my active heart rate is changing as I am speaking. The high of 103, low of 72. This is going to monitor my stress right here. It's definitely raining. I'm not sure if the mic is picking that up. Definitely raining where I live right now. We got our music controls, steps for activity, and we're back to the home screen. Let's swipe down. We got night mode here. The watch will not vibrate for calls or notifications. I don't want to do that. We'll sleep after 5 minutes. So that's going to keep the display on for 5 minutes. Ringing call. Oh, I guess that's how you locate the watch. So that's pretty cool. Let's stop. All right, I found you. We got an alarm. Let's go into settings, display. Let's check out display. We got some different watch faces. Oh, that's cool. What do we got? What do we got? This second one looked pretty dope. Kind of reminds me of my Samsung Active, actually. Very, very similar. I like it. Back into settings, vibration strength. Let's leave it at strong. Why not? Workout settings, auto detect. It's never gonna detect. I don't really do any workouts. System, that's where you can restart, power off, or reset the device. So swiping to the left backs you up one step at a time. Now we're back up to the home screen, and that's it. That's it. That's what I got for you today. If you like this video or I helped you in any way, smash that thumbs up. And if you haven't already, guys, subscribe and hit the bell. That way you get notified of my next video. I'll talk to you in the next one. Peace. Blah, blah. Gave him the double blop. Whoa.